This application out there to make animations for kids. I'm going to pretty much show you how to do that using this application here. Stay tuned. Pretty much the home screen of the application. So first, before anything, do make sure log in with your Google account or whatever the case is. So as you can see here, there's quite a lot of animations going on. These are just some preset animations by the application, and I can pretty much see the results they're getting by using it. And if I tap on this one, for example, and I can go ahead and play it, as you can see here.
Men multiplied, and God.
So as you can see, the animations looks very good. So I'm going to show you how you can create animations like these. So you have two options, I should say, that in which we can create animations using this application. So you have this story to video me, you enter your script, pretty much selecting your settings. You have the aspect ratio, or you want the image, the video to be shown, landscape. I'm just going to select that option, auto, how long you want the video to be. But all these other features, you need a subscription. Down here, you may see the language. You can also select the language of the video. You can tap on all and pretty much see all the languages that I can choose. Pretty much we'll go with English. Also, you can see the model that you can use as well. You can use all models, which I do recommend. And also down here, you can see these styles, which you can use as well. So it all depends on you, which you want to choose, whether it be realistic, point two, Disney, whatever the case is. So I'm just going to pick a cartoon for that information there, 3D cartoon 2.0. So once I've done that, you're going to need to enter a script or just a basic script. If you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on this here where it says trending. Not that, but you're going to see here the script that they have used. You can also use the script that these trending videos on YouTube have used. As you can see here, there's quite a lot of videos used that people have created using this application, and the script that they have used, you can also recreate it by just tapping on run script. Also, if you tap on the kids option here, you can see other videos or similar videos that they have used to create these popular videos on YouTube. So you have the animal, you have the Bible, you have the rescue. Those are all the options. So let me just go back here real quick. You can either enter anything that you want. If you can go over the basic script option, you can go for there. And you have the upgrade for more words, but you pretty much will need a subscription for that feature. Or you can enter anything here, but you pretty much don't have the option to let it generate anything random for you. So you'd have to enter something for yourself. But here you see that you pretty much can get a basic script. Either enter your own for both of these. So once you have done that, I'm just going to enter something random. But I think need more information as it relates to generator. But I'm just going to tap on next to see if I can get to the next part. So it's pretty much just analyzing the information that I've given, but I'm not going to pretty much go into that. I'm just going to delete the project and let it stay. So over here, you have the next option where you can create kids story. If I tap on that option at the top here, it will give you ideas which you can either use, or should I say prompt, as you can see here. So if I tap on this circle icon over here, can just refresh and it would just give me some random things based on, let's say, rainbow, wings, whatever the case is, but it's not that much. So you'd have to just create your own script or prompt so you can use to generate. So you have quite a lot of anime styles which you can use, or cartoon like 3D styles which you can use with this application here. Whichever one you choose based upon you, the video generation can edit that as well. These other longer minutes, you only get 1 minute for free, but other ones you will need a subscription. Down here as well, you're gonna need a subscription to pretty much generate a cartoon or a kid's story. You can get a full video for 1,002, and you can just get a small video like a storybook like cases for just 240 coins. So they're very easy to use, but you do require you to getting the subscription for it to be able to use these features. So you have the AI characters option here, which can enter or let's say come up with some ideas as it relates to AI character, whatever the case is. So let's not go into something right now. So you're gonna tap on expand. So I'm gonna just enter girl. Let's say you want something generated for you. You can just tap on AI expand and it will just generate something based off a girl, like a random script for you. So you don't have to type in anything. But based on your anime character, you can just enter your prompt. Here you can also upload a photo, but that's optional, so you don't have to. But if you want better results, let's say you have something in mind, you can upload a photo. Here you have the models which you can use. As I said before, all the models is pretty much good. And down here you have the style as well. It all depends on you, on which style you want to use. So realistic would be good. And here you get one free generating option, but you need this subscription as well. So that's pretty much it on how to use this application here to create the cartoon like these for kids and so forth. And you can also create these other videos if you want to post on TikTok or YouTube. If you want to get the subscription, you have to tap on the upgrade option here, and you can pretty much go here to get the subscription. As you can see the prices, you have the pro option, you have the plus, and you have the standard option. As you can see here the prices. Don't get any free trial or anything like that, so you're gonna need to purchase it. And you can see the prices down here for each subscription. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And this plus icon down here is nothing much than just the story to video mode, but just a shortcut. But that's it. If I missed anything at all, comment below. I'd love to help you out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.